guys. We're on our way to make some sets, and we saw a target of opportunity, so we're gonna see if we can coax him in a little closer. Thunder Beast arms, baby, let's go.
We got one fired brass, one fired bullet, and one dead dog. My cousin Joe came out, been getting him on some dogs, made a nice shot, about 150, 200 yard shot, and put this coyote down.
Once again, I'm using the 243 Super Short Magnum, and this time we're running the Thunder Beast arms. This is the 30 BA, and it's the BA model, which is the brake. It's got a nice, it's titanium. It's definitely lighter than the model I was using before, different suppressor. It's got the brake model. Definitely, this is an excellent suppressor. The season is about half over, I suppose. It's the end of January. We still don't have any snow, and right now it's got to be pushing 55 degrees, which is absolutely crazy for South Dakota. And you know, the weather's making it really difficult to call in coyotes this year. But we got another mangy dog out of the pack, so we're gonna try and go get some more.
Again, gonna go try and get some more. A lot of guys on Facebook asking about why we use the electronic call so much. It's not all about the electronic call. I've probably say 50% of the dogs this year I've called in have just been with this Cersei. So had this dog respond. Joe put a great shot. Hey guys, first kill with O'Neill Ops using the all-new Thunder Beast 30 BA. One of the best cans I've heard, along with SRT arms, 02 Shadow XLTI. My man Joe, man, he was out here putting rounds downrange today, shooting some tight groups before we headed out here to kill something, and we're gonna go get some more dogs.
Heck yeah, we are. Let's go do it.